In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your activity in HubStaff. Keeping track of your activity in HubStaff is an important part of understanding how your work time is spent. Whether you want to review your productivity, verify completed tasks, or simply get a clearer picture of your daily workflow, HubStaff provides detailed activity reports that are easy to access once you know where to look. To get started, make sure you sign in to your HubStaff account. Once you are on the dashboard, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. This area contains the main navigation options for your account. From this list, find and click the option labeled Activity. Clicking Activity will take you to the section where HubStaff displays detailed information about your tracked work sessions. On the Activity page, you will see several sections that break down your work data. These include applications used, URLs visited, and screenshots captured during your tracked time. Each of these sections helps you understand how your time was spent while the tracker was running. If you want a more visual overview, click on Screenshots. When you click Screenshots, HubStaff will show images taken at regular intervals during your work sessions. These screenshots act as visual records, allowing you to review what was on your screen at specific times. This can be helpful for confirming completed tasks, reviewing past work sessions, or preparing reports. As you explore this page, you will also notice different metrics displayed, such as worked time, average activity, unusual activity instances, focus time, and work time classification. These details provide insights into your productivity patterns and help you identify areas where you may want to improve or adjust your workflow. If you scroll down, you'll see screenshots arranged in a timeline as long as there are available records for your account. These images make it easier to review past activities and understand how your work progressed throughout the day. And that's it. Checking your activity in HubStaff is a straightforward process that gives you valuable insight into your work habits and efficiency. With this information, you can stay organized, productive, and confident about how your time is being tracked. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.